What follows here, this is my opinion. Tell me what you think about it.
I have my rights and I want a lawyer!
This video we are in the courtroom of Judge David Fleischer. I like Judge Fleischer. I think he's a bit of a showman, but I think he's fair. I think he's fair. I don't have any legal background. I'm just observing what he's doing in the court, right? I think he's very fair. Tries to help all the time, which I appreciate from him. Anyway, here we have a short video of the prosecution and the defense attorney going at each other, and they're having a good old argument, having both sides state their case, and then Judge Fleischer intervenes. So let's go ahead and watch the video and see what happens.
What the hell is that? You're still upset?
Yes, you watched the video and I'm even more upset, Judge.
They're going to get to that video in a little bit, yeah. This guy is good. This defense attorney is good, and he's taking the other side on very well, very well. Quite a cool video.
We just want to address some of the questions that defense and you had yesterday. Defense was saying that he felt that interference statute was overbroad. We found case law saying that it's or vague, that it's unconstitutionally vague. We found case law saying that it's not unconstitutionally vague. It's from DeContal versus State. I've tendered it to defense. Can I approach Judge?
I gotta imagine that if it was unconstitutionally vague, someone would have challenged it, and it would have,
Well, maybe I haven't had my case yet.
Okay.
And I'm happy for you to make a new law. Always.
Judge, I hand you DeContal versus State. Just
DeCantel.
yes.
Yeah. Oh, look, it's out of Court 8 in Harris County. So why are you saying that there's no PC in this case?
Is there a PC for something else? Yes. Is there for the interference with public duties? No. I mean, because it's on video, it didn't happen, Judge. So they get calls for an assault, a disturbance, whatever.
You're telling me the fact that they're saying he goes plank in the car while
He doesn't.
being arrested
He
doesn't
does
happen?
not go plank. It's on video, Judge.
Would they say he uses his, I guess he uses
He's in
his,
handcuffs.
The officer has to place his hand on the chest of the defendant to get the defendant to sit back in the car. He also has to grab his legs and push them back into the car. We also watched the video. We watched the video and we have a timestamp, Judge.
could it be that okay, so I know that a lot of times when they're putting a defendant into the car, they need help, right? They're unable to do it by themselves, or is he actively resisting getting into the car?
He tried exiting the vehicle, Judge. And
No,
that's why they had to push him back into it.
He leans forward. He's yelling at his mom, record, call. The third time, they have taken him out. This is 3 times. They put him in the car and they take him out so they can search him. The cop is sitting there going, oh, well, search him again. We can search him 20 times. If you feel you need to search him 20 times, search him 20 times for your safety. The cop.
Well, I suppose they can search him 20 times if they feel that this is needed to make sure that they're safe with this person. But yeah, I think the charges are not going to stick on this one. This guy is good.
Doesn't even know what he's charging him with. DA hasn't been caught. The cop's sitting there going, we're getting you for resisting transport. Resisting transport. That is what the cop thinks he's taking of it. DA, Officer Singh, it's a 27-minute video. Okay? At no point is the DA's office called to this point. Okay? That happens after. Fine. For an assault, they can argue. I can argue case law. 4B states specific articulable facts of crime may have occurred. Fine. They are there on an assault. Okay? They didn't take an assault. So then they detain him, right? They find that he has the warrant. So, okay, you're taking him in on the warrant. Fine.
Judge, it's common for officers to conduct an investigation before they call intake. That's not an abnormal.
Yeah, I mean, that's neither here nor there. But the question is he impeding the arrest or the function of arrest? Because I guess that you guys are basing the interference on the fact that he's not allowing him that, what's his name again?
Xenon, Your Honor.
Mr. Xenon is not allowing the officer to arrest him by putting him in the car.
Yes, what I don't know. I don't have a law background, so I really don't know what's going on here as far as that is concerned. But logically speaking, there's a video of that arrest, right? Should the judge not have seen that video prior to chatting to these two sides? I don't know. Let me know. I would have thought he would have looked at the video. I have no idea. Please enlighten me if you know.
Actually, Judge, the officer doesn't even have to be arresting him. They just have to be looking into any legitimate matter. And then he's interfering with that. And I will say, if he'd already been in the car 3 times, like defense pointed out, I would think he wouldn't need help getting in. So to us, it appears as though he's trying to push out. The officer has to put his hand on his chest to push him back into the car and then take his legs and place them into the car.
He was cooperative the whole time. He's on his own. If anyone's aggressive, it's the cop from the beginning.
Judge,
And I ask at the court's discretion, watch the video. You only need to watch like 2 minutes, the 13 to 15 minute mark, Your Honor. I mean, that's all you really need to watch on this.
Yeah, I think that's fair. Watch the video. Let's see what happens.
Watch it.
We can watch the video, Judge.
Cue that. Let's watch it.
I'm just turning the volume up, Judge, as well.
He talking about don't let him pull up. They talking about got a warrant out for Fort Bend County for assault. Look, he pushing me. Mama, record it. Mama, look. Mama, look. Record him. Now you're under arrest. I'm under arrest. You charged, Bubba. Resisting transport. Resisting? I wasn't resisting. You just resisted transport. Yep.
What the hell is that?
Now you got a new charge. Yep.
Come on.
Thank you, Judge.
Really? That's it?
That's it, Your Honor.
That's the relevant portion that defense is.
Oh, come on.
Oh, God. That defense attorney has won. Right there, he's won the case.
The officer is investigating legitimate.
I know, but no. I'm with
Do you
you.
see why I'm so upset, Your Honor? Okay. Thank you.
All right, so that's where this video ends. That defense attorney was brilliant. Having that video on hand, that did the trick. I really enjoyed Judge Fletcher. He's a Fleischer. He's quite a emotional person. He shows his emotions very well. Anyway, great stuff, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure that you like, subscribe, and say hi in the comments down below. It does help us a lot. See you with the next one.